Hey, this is beautiful. This is a gorgeous floor plan. I love this floor plan. It's delightful. This is a dream location and a dream home. It's neat. Look at this wonderful talking space where you can just chat and enjoy some good conversation, or you can watch TV in here as well. It's just a cute room that's right off the kitchen. It's and by the way, look at the cute kitchen. It's delightful. This is a unique high-rise experience. It gives you just, I don't know, more of a home feel. It's charming. It's warm. It's got some really nice curves and lines. It feels like a home. It really, really does. And it's in the Discovery Green area. You could have a lot of people over and really relax and have a good time here. You've got a lot of space you can do that with. And you've got some spectacular views that are over here. We're going to see those views in just a moment. But this is a delightful home that you can enjoy. You can, if you're ready to leave your home, sell it, and then just have a maintenance free, wonderful high rise living experience, this is perfect. My number's below. If you'd like to get some more information or just chat with me about this residence and what you think about it and if it might work for you. So send me a text on the number below. I'll keep that information private. It's only just for us to just start a conversation, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's go ahead and we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this beautiful residence here at